In order to perform the BIOSYNEX COVID-19 antigen test, you will require a workstation, an extraction tube, the extraction buffer, a sterile swab, the test cassette, and the instructions for use. Place the extraction tube in the workstation and take the extraction buffer. Place 10 drops of the extraction buffer into the extraction tube. In order to collect the sample, carefully insert the swab horizontally into the nostril of the patient until you reach the surface of the posterior nasopharynx. Then take the swab and discharge it in the extraction tube. Turn it 6 times to extract the sample and then let it rest for 1 minute. To remove the sample swab, squeeze the tube several times to fully extract the sample from the swab. Then place the swab in a yellow bin. The extraction solution will be used as the test sample. Remove the test cassette from its pouch and place it on a flat and clean surface. Take the extracted sample and place 4 drops into the S-well on the test cassette. Set a timer for 15 minutes and interpret the result after 15 minutes. If only one coloured line appears in the C area, the test is negative. If 2 coloured lines appear in the C and T area, the test is positive.